Welcome everybody to today's 10-minute core workout. So it's going to be a short one, it's going to be a sharp one. We're going to be working for the majority of the time, but hopefully after today's core workout, you can really feel it and find some benefit from the short session. Even though it is only 10 minutes, we're going to get lots of good core work in there. So without further ado, let's have a quick warm up. We're going to go through the exercises as we go through today because it is a short session, that's hard to say. But we're going to start off with some walkouts just to warm up the core, okay? So hands and legs out in front. We're going to walk out into a press up position, engage that core, keep nice and tight, then walk yourself back up. You can bend the knees, that's completely fine as well. But just really make sure you squeeze that core out at the front. Come back up to your feet. Just go for one more. Squeeze the glutes at the top as well. Back up. Then we're going to come down onto the knees and we're going to do shoulder taps. So opposite hand, opposite shoulder. Again, squeeze your core, keep everything engaged. Just warming up the core slightly just before we get into the real stuff. Nice. Good work. And relax there. Cool. So the first exercise is a plank static core exercise. We're going to be down on the elbows for this one, okay? To make it easier, pop the knees down. To make it tougher, knees up, full plank position like so, okay? So get yourselves ready. The first 40 seconds of exercise. 3, 2, 1, let's have it. Off we go. So in the plank position, really squeeze your bum, squeeze your core, try and activate those abs, okay? So for the whole session today, we're doing 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. We've got 5 exercises. Once we've done the 5th one, we'll have a minute rest. We'll repeat those exercises twice round, and that's it. 10-minute session done. Bob's your uncle. Good work. Hold it there. 10 seconds left. It's so hard to talk while planking. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds rest. Come into the seated position. We're going for Russian twists next, okay? So we're going to go feet off the floor, tapping side to side like so. To make it easier, feet on the floor, sit yourself more upright, tapping side to side as well. 40 seconds again. 3, 2, 1. Let's nail it. So tapping side to side. Feet off the floor if you can. Again, like I said, to make it easier, pop the feet down, sit up more, keep going, side to side, like so. But lean further back to make it tougher. Keep it going, keep it going. The whole way through. Push, push, push. So the exercises I've chosen, we're going between static and dynamic core movements. So the plank was static. This is dynamic because we're moving. Next one's static as well. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Next one, dead bugs. So we're laying down on our back. All we're doing, knees towards the ceiling, shoulders up off the floor, hands by the sides. To make it tougher, you're just going to extend the legs out more and more. This is the more advanced version. This is the easier version. Okay, so just play with how far out your legs are. 3, 2, 1, let's have it. So I'm going to go for the easier version to start off with, because I've got to demonstrate and talk. But good work, everyone. Extend the legs out as far as you need to. You can even extend the hands out behind as well. As long as those shoulders stay up off the floor, we're pushing that lower back into the floor. Really drive that lower back into the floor. That's the main thing. You don't want throughout the whole movement, the lower back to come off the floor. If you extend your legs, the back comes off. Bring the legs back in, push it down. And likewise, if you feel any of these exercises on the lower back, make them easier. We should be feeling it on the core. And relax there. Good work. Next one we've got is flutter kicks. So we're going to be in the same position again, lying on our back. Easier version is going to be legs kicking up and down from here. Again, shoulders up. To make it tougher, hands under your bum, legs straight, kicking like so. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So shoulders up, legs kicking out front, make it tougher, smaller kicks towards the floor, make it easier, higher kicks up towards the ceiling. To make it even easier, as I said, kicking up from here. Good work. Keep it up, shoulders up, kicking up and down. We've nearly done one round. Good stuff. Keep it going. 10 seconds. One more exercise to go. 3, 2, 1, relax. We're up on our bums again. Same position as we were in for the Russian twists. Again, tougher variation, feet off the floor. Easier variation, feet on the floor. We're just going to hold it in this position, okay? So it's going to be called the V-sit or the V-hold. Get yourselves ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. V-hold. You can put your hands on the floor to make it easier. Put your heels down, or a combination of the two. So heels down, hands up, legs up, hands down. Play with what feels best for you. But again, really squeezing that core. If you start to feel it on the lower back, it's too tough. Make it easier. Go for an easier variation. Put the heels down, put the hands down. Whatever you need to do to bring that tension into the core and away from that lower back. 3, 2, 1, and relax there. Good work. We've got 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest, and then we're doing that again once more round. Hopefully you started to feel that, if not at the beginning like I did, but towards the end at least. So we're going to do that once more round now. Doing one exercise straight into another core exercise, straight into another core exercise is a really good way to tax the core really quickly, okay? The core can fatigue quite quickly. The core is there designed just to kind of transfer movement or tension from one area of the body to the other, keeping the spine nice and stable. So in working it like this, it can help improve your posture and also improve how well you move in other movements as well. So get yourselves ready. We've got 17 seconds left of this minute rest. Then we're hitting the plank again for the final time. So we've got 5 exercises again, once more round. Then we'll just have a quick stretch to finish off, and that is the 10 minutes done. But good work so far. Last round to go. Hitting the plank. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hit that plank. Core nice and tight. Hips, shoulders, knees, ankles all in one straight line. If you struggle, pop the knees down. That's completely fine. You can always start with the tougher version and move to the easier one if you need to, at whatever stage you do need to. That's fine though. Core nice and tight. Keep it going. We've got 10 seconds left. It's the same timings, 40 on, 20 off. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good stuff. So we're hitting the Russian twists next. Remember, static, so plank into dynamic, that twisting movement. Russian twists also hit the obliques, as opposed to the plank, which just hit the sort of abdominals on the front. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So heels up, tough version. Heels down, easier version. Tapping side to side. The more you lean back, the tougher it'll be. Do whatever you need to really feel it on the core for the whole minute, but still enable you to finish the 40 seconds work, still doing that exercise. So the idea is to pace yourself so you're not having to stop too soon, but make it tough enough so at the end of the 40 seconds, you're really feeling it. Good work. 10 seconds left. Drive, drive, drive. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good work. Staying in this position. We've got those dead bugs next. So we're lying on our back, shoulders up off the floor, legs up towards the ceiling. Static hold. We're nearly halfway through this final round. Right, 7 seconds. Get yourselves ready. Lying on the back. 3, 2, 1. Shoulders up, legs up. Holding it here again to make it tougher. Bring those legs out in front. You can even bring the arms out behind, like I said, to make it tougher as well. Keep it going. You're going to shake for this one, but try and keep going. If you need to support the head as well, you can do. That's completely fine as well. But keep those shoulders up. Keep that lower back pushed into the floor. We have 7 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Relax. You can lie down, relax. Take the break while you can. We've got flutter kicks next. So same position, legs out to the front, kicking up and down. or just knees kicking up and down if you're more of a beginner, or you need to make it a little bit easier. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Shoulders up, hands under the bum, legs kicking up and down. Or to make it easier, knees kicking up and down. Most important point, shoulders up off the floor, lower back pushed into the floor. Good work. You can even tap those heels onto the floor. Do some heel taps, make it a little bit tougher, or a more intermediate version. Good stuff. Push, push, push. We're almost there now. One more exercise to go after this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good work. Come up. Nice tall back. We're hitting that V-sit for the final exercise. Final little bit. So try really work on this one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. V hold. Heels off the floor. Really squeeze that core. To make it easier, remember, heels down on the floor. If you need to make it even easier, put the hands behind you to give you some support. You can even do a combo, so put the hands down and heels off. Whatever you feel the most in the core is what you want to do. Nice, 10 to go. I'm shaking already, hard to talk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax there. Oh, good work, everyone. Well done. Catch your breath. We'll just have one quick stretch just to stretch out the core a little bit. The core's always quite hard to stretch out, but we'll try. So, one exercise just to stretch out before we finish. We're going to be on the front, and then we're just going to put the elbows underneath the back, underneath the chest, sorry, and just push ourselves up just to stretch out the core, stretch out the chest a little bit as well. You can even come up onto the hands if you're more flexible, but whichever is best for you. I'm not too flexible, so this is probably best for me. Really try and push those hips towards the ground, push the shoulders up, push through the elbows. 3, 2, 1, and relax there. Good work, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully your core is as sore as mine is, and it's not too sore tomorrow. But thanks so much for joining me today. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Don't forget to check out our other workouts. We've got plenty of other strength workouts, such as today. We've got half-an-hour workouts, 20-minute workouts, 10-minute workouts, focusing on different areas of the body. So do check those out. We've also got high intensity and low intensity workouts as well. So hopefully see you guys in the next one. But thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon.